Hello, in front of me I've got the altars. In this video I'll show you how to cook meals. In the beginning make sure you've got enough organic matter. You can check it in the storage. Now go to kitchen and go to kitchen queue. Select food you would like to cook and now work on it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.